slightly push and put it back. Slightly push and put it back. This is Tom. So I've developed a very easy way for beginners to learn how to skateboard, and let me show you how I do it. This is called Elos Skateboard. It's an urban commuter skateboard. It's developed super wide, very easy to learn, and comes with big and soft wheels so you can cruise all day long. Alright, let's get started. Before we start, safety is always first. So always have your helmet, put it on, and can't put it on. Here, okay. And have pads like this will help you if you accidentally fall. Today I'm gonna have a friend, Martin, to help us out learn how to ride skateboard. Imagine if there's a ball that's flying towards you. Which foot are you going to be using to kick it back? This one or that one? This one. This one. So right is your dominant foot.
That's one big crack there.
Yep, that's a big crack. We can put the wheels in the crack so it's not going to be moving as easy. You just stand right next to the handlebar and then leave your dominant foot on the ground. Have your other foot on top of the board. You can have your toes slightly hanging out. Put all your weight on top of the logo, and then put your other foot, slowly put it back to on top of the pins. It's kind of like that. Just count 1 second. Very good. Just step down. Step back on. All right. It's very important to just keep practice this stance and make sure the board doesn't shake every time when you put on top of it. Like this, it's good, but this is not good. Because if you shake, the board listens to you and it will turn according to where you shake. The next time when you put your back foot on, you can slightly angle your front foot, put your heels onto the rim, like that. And you can feel, this is actually the cruising position. It's easier to keep your balance. But before you want to push, propel again, always align your back foot back with the direction you're going before you put your foot down. You can have a friend to step on the wheel like this, and you can practice. When you have practiced enough, now when the board is not wobbling like this, step is moving forward.
Oh God, alright.
Alright. Moving forward is actually quite easy. It's very much like how you do a free stroke. What does that mean? So you extend both your arms forward like that, and you have both of your foot kind of extended at the same altitude like this. You put all your weight on the front foot and lift your other foot slightly up, and try to hold it for like a second. When you can balance really well, then keep your center of gravity right on top of the Elos logo, and then slightly push and put it back. Slightly push and put it back. For a lot of beginners, when they put it back, they kind of worry. So they put like here. You want to adjust so you're actually, stepping onto the back pin. It's easier to do like small little steps and then step back than one long step, because this means your center of gravity is already out of the board. Then you have to drag yourself back, and then you'll be like wobbling here and there, which is no good. So how do you stop?
Good question.
That's a good question, important question. A couple of ways. But first, always stop with your back foot step outward. Don't step forward, don't step backward, but just like step outward like this. Another way to stop is if you're moving at pretty high speed, just hop off like this. And all Elos comes with a metal bumper at the front, which is very durable, and always protect yourself, make sure you're okay. So there's a thing we call the zombie walk. Don't do the zombie walk like that. Remember, always angle back and then push like that. Push like this, and then go back, push. So once you learn how to move forward, the next thing is how do you turn? Moving to cruising position, like this. And just do like a heel toe action. Push down here, and push down here on the rim. I like this, and you're going to see the trucks moving a lot. The default setting of Elos is pretty tight. It has really tight trucks. That means it's harder to turn, but it's easier for beginners to learn. It's more stable. Once you are good at it, you can loosen up here. There's a sticker that indicates where you can turn. This is called a kingpin, and you want to do counterclockwise to loosen this pin. Don't do drugs, just like don't do downhills on Elos. It's kind of dangerous.
This is why you don't do drugs.
That was the basic of how do you start riding your Elos skateboards. That includes the stance is how you stand on top of the board, and how do you turn, and how do you stop. So if you have any questions, if this is helpful or not, please let us know by commenting below or subscribe to the channel.
And remember, safety first,
Yes.
and happy riding. Peace.
Peace.